Incellderm. Cleanse, moisturize, protect, glow. Premium results-driven skincare. Youthful, firm skin plus illuminating, dewy glow. Gentle, naturally derived ingredients. Byungpool, Centella asiatica. 30+ million products sold. Dermatology First Package Ex. Active Cream EX. Dual function booster, serum, and cream work together to offer intense nourishment to brighten the skin and restore its strength and elasticity that is lost over time. Key ingredients: Byungpool, Centella asiatica. Leaf water, highly effective in soothing and providing moisture to dry skin. Spiraceous crispa, extract, keeps skin healthy and moisturized. Amino acid complex, 17 different kinds of amino acids for moisturization and skin elasticity. Key benefits and claims. Byungpool leaf water brightens skin while providing moisturization, strength, and elasticity. Booster contains 88%, serum contains 81%. Byungpool leaf water 57%, eliminates the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while strengthening and protecting the skin's barrier. Skin moisture content and skin texture improvement test completed. EWG, all green and allergen-free. How to use with booster, serum, cream. Spray booster, EX on your face. Wait a few minutes to allow absorption. Place droplets of the serum EX on your forehead and cheeks and massage gently into skin. Once the serum has been fully absorbed, spray the booster on your face again. Finish by applying the active cream EX all over your face. With repeated use of the dual function booster, serum, and cream, your skin will have a more radiant appearance. Please use products in accordance with your skin.